Want to make your first $100 in the world of Web3 and crypto, but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down actionable ways to get started in the blockchain space, whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to add to your income stream. I'll walk you through 5 proven methods, step by step, that anyone can use to start earning from the decentralized economy. Using these methods as a beginner, you can start making $100 to $200 per month, and as you become mature, you can scale it as much as you want. So let's get into it. Before we dive in, let's quickly touch on what Web3 and blockchain are all about. In simple terms, Web3 is the next generation of the internet. It's decentralized, meaning that instead of big corporations controlling everything, the power is in the hands of users, creators, and investors like you. Blockchain is the tech that powers it all. It's the backbone of cryptocurrencies, decentralized apps, dApps, and smart contracts. And the best part? You can earn money by participating in this ecosystem, even with little or no upfront investment. First up in our list of proven methods is play-to-earn games. These blockchain-based games reward you with cryptocurrency or NFTs just for playing. You can start with little to no investment, and it's a fun way to dip your toes into Web3. Games like Axie Infinity, the Sandbox, and Gods Unchained allow you to earn in-game tokens, which can be exchanged for real money. Many of these games reward you with tokens simply for completing daily tasks or quests. Here's how you can get started. Simply sign up on one of these platforms and look for low-cost entry games. You could easily earn $10, $20, or even $50 in a month by playing casually. And if you get competitive, the earnings can skyrocket. Next, let's talk about NFTs. Non-fungible tokens are digital assets that you can own, trade, or create. You don't have to be an artist or developer to make money from NFTs. You can start with flipping them or by simply collecting. Flipping NFTs is a huge opportunity for beginners. You can buy NFTs at a low price during the minting phase, or pick up underpriced ones on marketplaces like OpenSea or Magic Eden. As the demand rises, you can sell them for a profit. For example, you could mint an NFT for as little as $10 or $20, and if the project gets traction, that same NFT could sell for $100 or more. Look for projects with strong communities, social media buzz, and a clear roadmap for future development. Who doesn't love free money? In the crypto world, airdrops are when projects give away free tokens to early users, supporters, or people who participate in certain activities. This can be a great way to make your first $100 without spending a dime. Some of the biggest airdrops in crypto have come from decentralized platforms like Uniswap, Arbitrum, and Optimism. These projects reward users who interact with their platform early on. All you need to do is complete simple tasks like making a few trades or staking tokens. In many cases, you'll receive tokens that are worth $10 to $50 right away, but they can easily grow in value. The best part? You can find and participate in multiple airdrops, increasing your chances of hitting that $100 mark. Some airdrops have given more than $50,000 to their early supporters, so you never know. Are you good at writing, design, coding, or even marketing? You can get paid for your skills in cryptocurrency. Freelancing platforms like CryptoTask and Bounty0x allow you to earn crypto by completing gigs and tasks. Whether you're writing blog posts, designing logos, or helping projects with marketing, you can pick up small jobs that pay in cryptocurrency. Even if you're just starting, there are plenty of beginner-friendly tasks available. You could easily earn $10 to $50 per task, and with a bit of hustle, getting to your first $100 could happen in just a few weeks. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr also have crypto-friendly gigs if you prefer more traditional freelancing. Finally, if you already hold some crypto, staking and yield farming can be great ways to earn passive income. This is more for people who are already involved in the crypto space, but even with a small amount, you can start making steady returns. With staking, you can earn interest by locking up your coins on platforms like Binance or Lido. This could earn you a small percentage each month, and over time, these rewards compound. Yield farming, on the other hand, involves providing liquidity to decentralized finance, DeFi protocols, and earning rewards. While this can be more complex, it's another way to make your first $100, especially if you're reinvesting your earnings. So to recap, Here are 5 solid ways to make your first $100 in the world of Web3 and crypto. Play to earn games, NFTs, airdrops, freelancing for crypto, and staking or yield farming. Whether you're just dipping your toes in or already familiar with crypto, there's an opportunity for everyone. The key to success is to find what fits you best. Maybe you're into gaming. Play to earn could be your ticket. Or perhaps you're more into investing. NFTs and airdrops might be your jam. And the beauty of Web3 is that you don't have to stick to just one path. You can try a mix of methods to find what works. And once you earn that first $100, reinvesting it in staking or yield farming could make your next $100 even faster. But let's not forget, there are always risks in the crypto space, whether it's market volatility, scams, or impermanent loss in DeFi projects. Do your research, use trusted platforms, and never invest more than you're willing to lose, especially as a beginner. Before jumping into any project, make sure you do a quick check, look at the project's white paper, research the team, and always use a secure crypto wallet to protect your funds. The decentralized world of Web3 is growing fast, and now is the perfect time to jump in. You don't need to be a crypto expert to start. You just need curiosity, a bit of effort, and a willingness to learn. Now it's time for you to take action. Choose one of these methods and get started today. Who knows? Your first $100 could be the start of something much bigger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell for more tips on how to grow your crypto and Web3 income. Drop a comment below and let me know how you plan to make your first $100. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and subscribe to Chain Insights.